Cadonix presents Arcadia, the powerful yet simple to use end-to-end wire harness design suite that can run straight from a browser. Arcadia empowers engineers to work faster and more accurately than ever before. Start designing in minutes, check and share your designs on the fly, and calculate costs at the click of a button. Arcadia has enough power to be used for the most complex designs and is yet simple enough to be up and running in minutes. Design wire harnesses, validate designs and compile costs with accurate and up-to-the-minute data for fast analysis and easy decision making. Arcadia's simulation, design and engineering checks ensure drawings are right before publishing, giving you a powerful quality control safety net. Arcadia does it all from the cloud, enabling you to easily work with colleagues, customers and engineering providers. Share your designs for manufacturing instantly with global Arcadia-powered suppliers. Arcadia is designed and built by subject matter experts and engineers to ensure that repetitive or low-value activities are eliminated from your engineer's Arcadia experience. Thanks to Arcadia's intuitive and easy-to-use design, an engineer can save 500 hours per year. That's more than 60 days that can be spent on value-add activities. With Arcadia, we managed to solve important time-consuming issues we encountered. For example, systems can take a long time to set up. Arcadia is cloud-based and integrates with every modern system with minimal setup time. I need to prepare a lot before I can start designing. Arcadia offers a vast library of pre-built components which get you up and running in minutes. My design tools lack functionality. Arcadia has powerful features you simply won't find in drawing packages or many harness design tools. I can't share my designs. Arcadia's cloud technology lets you share your designs with stakeholders effortlessly while you manage the full end-to-end process from design to manufacture. It takes my team too long to create designs. Arcadia saves engineers days, allowing them to focus on what they do best, creating accurate working wire harness designs. Arcadia is in use today globally by hundreds of engineers across virtually every field imaginable. Whether you're designing hypercars, satellites or medical equipment, Arcadia has you covered.